The areas left for caulking are located where the main decking meets the margins, hatches, fixed cabinets and the king plank. Start by measuring a 5mm gap from the factory-produced straight edge and mark this onto the Tek-Dek with a pen. Next, cut along the line with a sharp craft knife using a curved blade. Always cut away from the margin piece, as this is where the straight edge is found. Again, you will need to cut around any deck fittings where margins intersect. All the edges of the gaps now need to be masked before caulking can be applied. Mask both sides of the 5mm caulking seam you have created to ensure no overspill of caulking onto the adjacent planks. When masking, check that the tape is not over the edge of the seam. This will avoid pulling up the caulking when the tape is removed after drying. Firstly, cut off the end of the caulking sausage with a craft knife, then insert into the applicator gun. The secret is not to use too much product and make sure the nozzle is small enough to enter the gap. Fill the gap with caulking until it just becomes proud of the Tek-Dek. Make sure the caulking rubber completely fills the seam, pushing the nozzle to the bottom while filling. Cut several small pieces of Tek-Dek, approximately 20mm wide, using the cutter, and use the flexible tongue to spread the rubber caulking into the channel and remove any excess. Once sufficiently dry, remove the tape and leave to harden further for 2 days before walking on the surface again.